400 miles beneath your feet, there's a hidden ocean, and it may hold 3 times more water than all surface oceans combined. But it's not a sea full of fish and glowing monsters. This water is trapped inside solid rock, locked in a rare blue crystal. Scientists once thought it existed only in outer space. Its name is ringwoodite, and it rewrote everything we know about our planet. For decades, humans had only ever found ringwoodite inside meteorites, but scientists suspected it also formed deep within the Earth. The problem? The deepest hole ever dug, Russia's Kola superdeep borehole, reaches just 7.5 miles down. If the Earth were an apple, that hole wouldn't even break through the skin. The crystal sits 400 miles down. So how do you reach it? You don't. You wait for the Earth to mail a sample straight to your doorstep. In 2008, miners in Brazil found a small, battered diamond in a shallow riverbed. It looked completely worthless. They sold it for about $20. Nobody knew it was one of the most important stones ever pulled from the ground. That diamond formed hundreds of miles down, then rocketed to the surface inside a volcanic eruption, moving as fast as a race car. Sealed inside it, like a message in a bottle, was a microscopic speck of ringwoodite, the first ever found from inside our planet. And when scientists examined it in 2014, they discovered something incredible. About 1.5% of its weight was water. That doesn't sound like much, but the transition zone, where ringwoodite forms, wraps around the entire planet, hundreds of miles thick. Do the math, and you get enough water to fill the Pacific Ocean. Then fill it again and again. Some estimates say 3 times all surface oceans combined, hiding in plain sight inside rock that looks completely dry. But you couldn't swim in it. Down there, the pressure is crushing, and temperatures pass 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Under those conditions, water is pulled apart and stitched into the crystal itself. It's less like a lake and more like a giant sponge. So why does a giant sponge in Earth's basement matter? Because it might be the reason you exist. One theory says icy comets delivered our oceans like a cosmic pizza order. But the hidden ocean tells a different story. Earth may have been making its own water all along, sweating it out through volcanoes over billions of years. That deep water also works like a lubricant for tectonic plates, helping continents slide, earthquakes rumble, and volcanoes erupt. Without it, Earth might have ended up like Venus, dry, rigid, and about as cozy as a pizza oven. Still skeptical? In 2022, a second diamond from Botswana turned up carrying the very same watery mineral. And when earthquakes send shockwaves through the planet, scientists read them like an X-ray. The waves slow down in wet rock. Under North America, they slow down exactly as if the deep rock is damp. Some spots may even be slowly melting. Time for rapid-fire facts. The blue colour of ringwoodite? Pure coincidence. Yet the wettest mineral on Earth really is ocean blue. That $20 Brazilian diamond is now considered scientifically priceless. Probably the best $20 anyone has ever spent. And if all that hidden water ever squeezed up to the surface, most continents would drown. Be glad it stays in the sponge. So next time someone says we've explored the whole planet, remind them, Earth's largest ocean might be one no human will ever see. If you learned something new, like this video and share it with a friend. And subscribe, because the world is full of unbelievable facts.